All right, YouTube, JW Solar USA. Um, I've been asked by one of my good subscriber on YouTube. So he wanted me to do a test on the hot water side of this Primo dispenser. So since the previous video, a few hours ago, you guys can see the battery get charged really fast now compared to the way it was. So the battery can be charged really fast. So I think there's sign of improvement to this device here. So I just want to do this test, but I don't want to just drain the battery right away. So since I've learned from the test on the surge on the compressor, so I suppose I have to just give it a boost a little bit by just leave it on the grid for a short time or just for a few seconds. Then I can just let it go on battery, and so that you guys can able to see what power or how fast this battery pack is gonna drain within few minutes compared to the cold water part of it. Okay, so let's do the test. Right here you can see it's plugged on the grid. So let's see, and you guys can able to see the indicator on the meter saying the grid is right there. So I just want to make sure that this thing gets taken off grid when the process start, not before it start, but when it start, so that we can reserve some battery a little bit. Let's do the test, okay, and see how everything goes from here. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and I will show you in the back here how everything goes. At the back of the dispenser here, you guys can see that's the button right there you can push to utilize for the hot water. So I'll do that. Let's come to the front and see what power we're taking out. So let's set our meter to load. You guys can see. Oh, I just passed it. Load. Okay, so let's do the test here, and I'm gonna turn, see my finger right here, I'm gonna turn the switch for that, and I'm gonna disconnect the grid after a few seconds. This is the power it's taken from the grid. It's reading at 430 watt. Okay, 430 watt. You see the indicator meter, the load, it went about 3 bars. So I'm gonna unplug the grid right away so that you guys can see. And the count of 3, 2, 1, unplug. Died right away. I plugged it back on, and in the count of, maybe it's just on the peak right now taking power. Count of 3, 2, 1, unplug. Can do it, folks, can do it. So hey buddy, I just want to let you know the findings here. This guy can take it. An element is a inductor, sorry. Is an inductor, can't handle that, can't do it. Okay, can't do it. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna try and see if I can transition that, or maybe show you guys how much power this thing is taking from both hot water and cold water. This is what the device is taking with hot water, and I'm gonna turn the cold water. See, that was a spike of about 1 point something 1.7 or 1.2 kilowatt right away. So now what I'm gonna do, I will shut off the hot water part of it, and see, that's the only power it's taking from the cold water. So you were asking about your device is taking about 400 watt. So this one is taking 87 watt just from the grid, with the meter showing is just 87 watts. So the hot water is the problem that's going to push it all the way to 500. Take a look. The hot water went up to about 500 and something altogether with the cold water. So I'm going to turn the hot water off, and I'm going to unplug the battery pack. There we go. So now it's running on the UPC again. It's running on the UPC or APC thing. So see how it cuts the battery right away. So it said estimated running time is 37 minutes. So this is just a quick video. I don't want to make it too long again. And this is the device right here. They're running side by side, running parallel to each other. So this is, I'm gonna wrap up the video. It's a clear test. So I hope I answer your question, and this is how I do it for my subscribers. If I have the chance and opportunity to perform a test for you guys, I will do it as quick as possible. And if I have the material, I'll perform it. JW Solar USA, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, and share.